Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today guys, we'll show you how to fix a squeaky steering wheel on a BMW, especially if you have E65 E66. And as you know, all of the BMWs come with a telescoping steering wheel, and that E66 that we have, it's a 745i guys, have a very squeaky steering wheel when you move it up or down. Let me show you what I'm talking about quick, okay? So if I use the button to move the steering wheel up, oh, you hear that? That's that annoying sound. Okay, every time you get in and out, you know, the steering wheel does that. So let us show you guys how to fix that quick. What you need to do, move it all the way down, all the way towards you. Okay, and when you do that now guys, okay, we'll need to grab with your fingers here and lift up. Okay, lift like that. Let me turn the light on. Okay, and you'll be able to pull that trim out of the way. Okay, like that. So now right here guys, okay, this is the steering wheel. Okay, these two bolts right here and this plastic, that's where it's making all kind of noises. Okay, you can hear. So what we're going to do now, oh, it's terrible. We're going to get a little bit of white lithium grease. Okay, right here. And we're going to spray a little bit on those bolts there. Just a little bit, you don't need to do much, because you don't want it to leak on the carpet or anything like that. Okay, let's see now. We'll need to move it a couple times. Okay, lubricate a little bit more after that. So it can go in all the way. Oh guys, so now you can see it still makes a little bit, but it's almost gone. So when you let it sit overnight, that's going to fix your problem guys, and you won't have the squeaky steering wheel anymore. If it's still squeaking, you need to lubricate a little bit more. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.